Welcome to our video. The oral approach is a language teaching method that emphasizes learning through spoken language before introducing written forms. This approach centers on teaching grammar and vocabulary by using real-life situations, objects, and visual aids in the classroom. The method developed in Britain during the 20s and 30s, gaining popularity through the mid-20th century with significant global influence. The oral approach focuses on habit formation through repetition, drills, and the oral practice of language structures. Lessons typically begin with oral presentation, followed by practice, and ending with production activities, known as the PPP model: presentation, practice, production. Students learn to communicate accurately and fluently by repeating and practicing basic language patterns in meaningful contexts. The approach uses carefully selected lists of essential vocabulary, often around 2,000 keywords, for building reading and speaking skills. It is also known as situational language teaching due to its focus on teaching language in particular situational settings. One reason the oral approach came into practice was the perceived need for a more systematic and scientific method than the direct method. It also responded to the demand for effective spoken language skills for real communication, not just reading and translation. Harold Palmer is credited as one of the main founders of the oral approach, making significant contributions to the method's principles and practice. A.S. Hornby is another major figure in developing and promoting the oral approach, especially through textbooks and teacher training. George Pitman, an Australian educator, was also a key practitioner who developed influential situational materials based on this approach. The teacher's role in the oral approach is highly active, modeling pronunciation, sentence patterns, and facilitating structured repetition. Students in an oral approach classroom are encouraged to participate in choral drills, substitution exercises, and dialogue practice. Language items are introduced and practiced orally, with reading and writing coming only after adequate oral proficiency is achieved. Typical oral approach classes involve frequent use of situational prompts, dialogues, and controlled communication activities. Reference books on the oral approach include The Oral Method of Teaching Languages by Harold E. Palmer and Oxford Progressive English for Adult Learners by S. Hornby. Another important textbook is Situational English, a series developed under George Pitman's guidance, widely used in Australia and Pacific nations. Though no longer as dominant, the oral approach's principles influenced many modern language teaching methods and widely used ESL course books.